Good morning to one and all present here. Myself Satish, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology. The subject code is GE3792 Industrial Management, Unit 2 Function of Management 1. The topic is the process planning. Okay, introduction to the planning. Here the definition of the planning, the process of setting objectives and determining a course of action for achieving those objectives. The importance of planning in the organization provides directions, reduce uncertainty, improve resource allocation. Okay. Before going to the process, definitely we need the planning. The planning will provide a proper direction. Okay, then it will reduce the uncertainty. Okay, uncertainty completely we cannot reduce, but there will be the some limit. We can reduce the uncertainty and improve the what are the source we having the we can allocate to the workers. Next, there will be the types of planning. Okay, the strategic planning, it's a long term plan, and tactical planning is a short term plan, that's a growth of short term action to implement strategies. Next is operational planning, day to day operation and activities. And contingency planning, backup plan for unexpected event. Okay, you said no uncertainty. Okay, there will be the steps in planning process. First step is a setting objective. The setting objective, you must be defined clearly what is your goal, and then you have to show the measurable value to the, that means scaling. Okay, what is the measurable goals, what is mean the specific. Okay, specific, the relevant, the time bound. Okay, if the goal is having 100 years means definitely it's a long term process. We cannot accept the profit within a month or year. Okay, definitely we need a measurable goal. The government will work for that. Okay, there will be the different for doing the dam projects and all, it will take 100 years. That is that 100 years is needed, definitely needed to build the dam. Okay, that is a 100-year plan. After that they can control the water flow. Like that, you need the measurable goals, achievable or not, like that you have to know. For then only you can set the goal. Example, if increasing the sales 20% in next year, I can say like that. We cannot tell within today we have to improve the 25%, 30%. It is impossible. Like that, we need to set the goal. Identifying the resource, there will be the human, financial and physical. Human is if you comparing the human, skilled or not, he is having experience or not, like that we can kill. For the human, the skill and expertise were important. Financial budget, are you getting loan from the bank, or are you already having the money to invest? Okay, that's a financial budget. Physical, what are the equipments you are having? Okay, that's belong to the physical. Next, analyzing the environment. Okay, analyzing the environment, the internal and external factors, that the SWOT analysis. Okay, we will see this on later. Developing strategies, formulate the strategies to achieve objective. Implementing the plan. Next, execute the strategies and allocate resource. Next, monitoring and evaluating, track the process and make adjustment as needed. Okay, here you see Setting objective, importance of smart objective. Nowadays we're going for the small things. Okay, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound. You have to think smart, like that they will tell. What is smart means? Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound. That shows that the sales increase 20 percentage or 30 percentage or 15 percentage in the next financial year. Okay, already we have seen that one. Identifying resource, human and financial, physical. Skill and expertise of employee, experiences come to the human. Financial, budget and funding. And physical means equipment and facilities. Assessing the team strength and budget constraints. Next, assessing the environment. Definitely we have to go for the SWOT analysis. Strength, weakness, opportunities and threat. The strength, what is the strength? The internal advantage. Weakness, we having some limitation over the opportunities, external changes for growth. Threat, external challenges also. Okay, the strength, what is your internal strength? I'm having the 5 expertise human, that is a skill employee with me, that's my strength. And what will be the weakness? My budget over only the 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs, that is come out of the limitation, that's a weakness. What is the opportunity? The external change for the growth. Definitely if you want to go for the growth, okay, you have to need the changes internally, have to or externally have to change. What are the threat? Definitely there will be the opponent companies over there. If you making the startup in the technology software, definitely same software will done by the other companies also, they will be the threat to us. Okay, the SWOT analysis need for the new product launch. Company identify the market trends and the competitor strength. Next will be the developing strategy, step 4. Formulating the action plans. Identify the specific action needed to be reach objective. You have to clear about the specification action. And then consider various strategic option. Marketing penetration, diversification. Okay, the specific step to achieve the object, definitely you need the plan, and then launching the new product based on the customer's feedback. Next, implementing the plan. Okay, the key consideration in the implementing the plan is assigning responsibility to the team members. Definitely you have to check the what they are skilled or not. If having the more skill, you have to give some responsibility to them. You have to know their experience and skill. And then next consideration will be that set timeline for each action. Definitely the timeline you have to set. Next, communicate plans to all stakeholders. Okay, definitely for example the Gantt chart of the project timeline. Next, monitoring and evaluating. The import of the monitoring process, regularly check-ins to assess if the objective are being met or not met. You have to do some other changes. Definitely have to know further the monitoring process will help us use the key performance indicator to measure the success. Okay, what are the key performance indicators? You have to check, and then you have to regularly review that one. Okay, like the monthly sales review, then you have to track their performance. And a challenge in the planning process. The common challenges were a lack of clarity, that's a lack of clear objective, inadequate resources, resistant to change, unforeseen external force factors. Okay, the lack of clarity, resource limitation, resistant to change. Okay, those are the common challenges over there. Tip for overcoming the challenges: you have to plan very clearly to the object. Engage the stakeholders in the planning process. Remain flexible and adaptable. These are the key things. Next, if you come for the conclusion, uh, the recap the importance of the effective planning. Provide the roadmap for the success. Okay, enhance the decision making and resource allocation. Encouragement to apply planning principle in real life. Okay, thank you so much.